glowing star, the magic mirror world. In a bright, busy city lived a curious girl named Ayla. One afternoon, while exploring her apartment's old storeroom, she found a tall, shining mirror covered in dust. As soon as Ayla cleaned it, the mirror began to glow. Suddenly, the glass rippled like water and whispered. Step inside, Ayla discovered the magic mirror world. Before she knew it, the mirror pulled her inside, whoosh. Ayla opened her eyes and gasped. She was no longer in the city. Tall buildings had turned into giant candy towers, cars had become colorful toy animals on wheels, and the city lights sparkled like stars in the sky. In this magical world, Ayla met a funny robot named Tiko and a playful flying cat named Mimi. They welcomed her and said, "Welcome to the magic mirror world. But remember, you must return before the city clock strikes sunset, or you'll stay here forever." Ayla laughed and joined her new friends. They zoomed on flying skateboards, played hide and seek between glowing rainbow bridges, and visited a magical glass castle at the city center. But soon the sun began to set. The mirror appeared again, glowing faintly on a tall candy tower. Ayla quickly waved goodbye to Tiko and Mimi, promising to visit again. She ran, leapt through the mirror, and landed safely back in her apartment storeroom. The mirror now looked ordinary, showing only her reflection. But Ayla smiled and whispered, "Thank you, magic mirror world. I'll always remember this adventure." And every night, when city lights twinkled outside her window, Ayla hoped she might see Mimi and Tiko waving back at her from another world.